Your sofa is often the most used piece of furniture in your home, so it pays to get it right. In this video, we'll give you an overview on what to consider when selecting a sofa, from finding the right size to selecting the style and considering your use case. A great way to start is to use painter's tape to mark the area. Think about where you'll place your sofa and measure that space, length, width, and height. Remember, take complete measurements of your room, including windows and door openings. It will be helpful to determine where and how the sofa will best fit in the room and enter for delivery. After determining which size range suits your space, think about the type of sofa you'll need and what function it needs to serve. The most common standard size sofa seats 3 to 4 people and typically spans from 6 to 8 feet long. These sofas come in all styles. Perfect for entertaining guests, this mid-century sofa features button tufting in an elegant linen. There are no additional back pillows, keeping with the clean modern look. Add throw pillows to this sofa to add extra comfort and color. A longer, deeper sofa is a great option for a TV room or den. It typically seats 4 to 6 people and can run from 8 to 10 feet. This contemporary leather sofa features a 41-inch seat depth, which is great for sinking in and lounging. Leather is a solid choice for a TV room where you might be enjoying drinks and snacks, since it wipes clean. Designed to fit two comfortably, love seat sofas are a great option for smaller rooms or to add a sense of balance to the seating arrangement of a larger room. If you have kids or pets, a love seat with a slipcover is a big convenience since the fabric can be easily removed and washed. A classic, contemporary frame like this one is a great choice. The slipcover fabric can be changed out every few years for a new look, and the frame never goes out of style. If you live in a small apartment or need to accommodate house guests, you might consider a convertible sofa that converts into a bed. These are modern sleeper sofas and are much easier to use than their traditional predecessors. Many fold out with the touch of a latch and can fold into a twin or double bed. This modern sofa with rounded armrests and tufted and cushioned back would be ideal for a home office or den. As an additional check, it's good to reconfirm the dimensions of your selected sofa to make sure it will fit through your doorways. When selecting a sofa, just remember to measure your space, consider how many people you need to seat, correspond the style to your taste, and double-check your dimensions for delivery.